What are the apps? What are the apps that are out there from you?
Well, if we break it down into sort of the broad areas, it's sort of the retail or the counter sales side of it, the manufacturing portion, and the warehouse management portion. And a lot of times, an organization will need all three of those. When we get into the individual sort of categories of products, like let's talk about manufacturing. Anything from, so we have an advanced scheduling product. We have a version very simple to use. You plug it in, you hit a button, and you've got your production schedule, capacity constrained, everything else. Again, it's takes Business Central to that next level. And then the advanced version of that takes Business Central up into almost like a tier 1 ERP area where we can do that level of scheduling. So people that are looking at maybe the Dynamics 365 supply chain F&O type solution may not have to go to that because they've got our solution to do the work. Down to execution, so the manufacturing execution, where we can capture time, do quality capture, all of those sorts of things. So the manufacturing side is very much on the planning, execution side of things. When we get into the warehouse management, there's a ton of applications there for, again, just barcode scanning, right? Using mobile devices to go out there and manage your warehouse, all the way out to shipping. So we've got, again, another free product where the application is free for shipping, but it integrates with 60 different carriers. You can get your rates, your labels, everything else. Or we've got the full blown version of that, Dynamic Ship, that allows you to do LTL shipping. You can get rate shopping, scheduled pickups, parcel shipping, all those sorts of things. Inventory counts, cycle counts, scheduling. Pretty much anything you'd need to do in the warehouse, we have a solution for that, either as part of our full Warehouse Insight or as one of these separate products, a lot of which are free and some just plug into Warehouse Insight.